Last week, nakausap ng Showbiz Central ang isang Judy Ann Santos na kapansin-pansin ang pagbabago sa pagsagot sa mga katanungan ukol sa kanyang rumored pregnancy.
Sa ngayon, pare-pareho lang din naman pa rin tayong naghihintay. Sasabihin ko po, huwag po kayong mag-alala, hindi ko po ito itatago.
At tulad ng kanyang mga fans, isa na sa mga pinaka-excited to hear the real score ay ang kanyang sariling ina na si Mommy Carol. At nitong Biyernes, along with the rest of the country, Mommy Carol got the great news mula mismo kay Juday.
I was in Batangas, tapos sabi niya, may TV ka ba dyan? Sabi ko, bakit? Panoorin mo si Ryan kasi may i-announce.
Mga kaibigan, na bullseye po. Ito po.
My picture!
Ito po ang unang litrato ng aming baby. 2 months and 4 days na pong nagdadalang tao ang aking misis na si Judy Ann.
Naku, hindi ako makapaniwalang may baby sa
Talagang tuwang-tuwa ako. Sabi ko, Diyos ko, kasi, well, alam naman natin na medyo, yung meron kasi siyang diferensya si Juday sa may polycystic. Talaga tong baby to sinacrifice talaga ni Juday a lot of things.
Juday's siblings and her best friend also share in the joy of this much-awaited pregnancy.
Family's proud. Yung buong bansa is actually excited with us. Thank you very much po sa lahat ng nakikidasal sa amin, sa lahat ng nakikiantay sa amin. Thank you very much po.
Congratulations, sister. Happy ako dahil finally, kung ano yung hiniling mo, nakuha nyo na.
Honestly, isa sa pinakamalaking takot ko yan. Takot ko yung hindi mabuntis si Juday. Kasi, meron na siya lahat eh. After the announcement, nagkita kami nung hapon. Para mas lumaki na ulit. Sabi ko, biglang parang ang laki na bigla ng tiyan mo. Sabi niya, wala. Alam niya na hindi na pwede na siyang pag-usapan. So bigla na lang siguro siyang sumipa.
Para sa buong pamilya ni Juday, now that the wait is over, there's only one thing that Juday has to do.
Ang pinaka-importante, yung health nyo ng anak mo.
Juday, eto, inintay mo itong matagal, mag-iingat ka na. Pray always. And I will also continue praying that you will have a safe pregnancy, safe delivery, and the baby will be as healthy as ever. Ryan, tatay ka na. Extra love din pa kay Juday kasi ang buntis sensitive yan eh. Alam kong 100% kang kung magbigay ng pagmamahal sa anak ko. Dagdagan mo pa ng mga 50% more. Love my daughter more and congratulations!
Susunod, ang eksklusibong one-on-one interview ng Showbiz Central with the happy and expectant father himself, Ryan Agoncillo. Witness Ryan's open admissions tungkol sa kanilang pinagdadaanan, their actual first reaction, at ang iba pang never-before-heard details.
We thought we were just gonna hear a heartbeat. Nagulat kami when we saw on the screen na, yun na nga, ito na nga, buo na nga. May image na.
Ihahatid yan sa inyo ng diretsahan dahil taga Showbiz Central ka.
There you go. Congratulations to Ryan and Juday. Alam ko, Pia, kasama nyo si Ryan everyday sa Eat Bulaga. So, gusto ko itang tanungin, kayo ba alam nyo na?
It's been very hard nga to keep from spilling the beans. Siyempre, no, hindi naman ako involved dyan. Pero in Eat Bulaga, we've known for a long time. Kaya
Matagal
lang,
na.
si Ryan and Juday kasi wanted to be totally sure muna. At that time, nag-positive lamang yung pregnancy test ni Juday. But they didn't want to make the public announcement until they actually saw a doctor na magko-confirm na may heartbeat. And they actually even saw the baby already inside Juday's room. So, and that very day, that interview was conducted a few hours after they came from the hospital with a confirmation.
Wow,
so in a matter of 2 hours, 3 hours, isinapubliko na talaga ni Ryan because they didn't want the public not to know.
Kitang-kita naman sa
share this with the
excitement.
public.
Ayaw nila
And you can see the
hindi
excitement naman sa
i-share.
mukha ni Ryan. And the excitement of the public, ito yata ang one of the most anticipated babies in Philippine show
Not
business
only
history.
that, I think this will be one of the most talented babies. One of the best hosts in the country and one of the best actresses in the
Dramatic
country.
actresses.
This kid, grabe, yung talent
Super
niya.
kid.
Kaya nga, Raymond.
Now, kasi syempre,
Go
diba,
ahead, Peach.
natutuwa tayo dahil yung mga speculations talagang tapos na dahil nasagot na niya,
Alam
diba?
na nilang lahat.
Yeah.
And
The wait is over,
Going back to
kumbaga.
your point, sabi mo nga, di ba, it's going to be a very talented baby. The baby has a choice whether it wants to be a good host or a good actress.
That's
so
right. Photographer,
that's
pwede
why
rin.
si Emily Bodin na
Nag-Facebook.
nag-Facebook sa atin asks, kung magiging boy ba daw o girl ang baby ni Ryan at kung pumili na sila ng mga pangalan.
At si
Ayan,
Emily
okay.
from
Sasagutin ni Ryan Agoncillo yan
Uy.
mamaya sa one-on-one interview namin. So stick around for
At
that.
eto naman si Mark Trinidad and Jeremiah Kabusay also logging on our Facebook at the moment asks, asan ba daw si Sweet? Well, Mark and Jeremiah, don't worry, si Sweet will be back here next week. He's filming a movie.
Uy, talaga. Oh, good.
Ayan.
Ayan na.
At ito pa, isa pang hinihintay ng sambayanan dahil medyo naudlot to last Sunday. Sa pagbabalik po ng Showbiz Central, we have Doc Manny Calayan sa Seriously, Don't Lie to Me. Don't miss it.
Sa amateur video na ito, nakuha mismo ng Showbiz Central host Raymond Gutierrez. Isang nakakagulat na pangyayaring nakunan. Ngayong linggo, ang bawat isa kini Raymond, Pia, Sweet, Rufa May at Mo ang kukuha sa mga pinaka-nakakaintrigang pangyayari sa likod ng camera. Sino ang makaka-record ng pinaka-scandalous na video? Abangan sa Huli Cam! A special assignment feature for Showbiz Central hosts. Abangan! Susunod na si Evie Babe Seda, ang babaeng namamagitan daw ngayon kina Derek Ramsey at Angelica Panganiban.
Nagbigayin kami ng number.